Okay, this lecture is about question number 2 of paper 1 and the year is 2016 November. It is given that 192 multiplied by 64.3 is equal to 12,345.6. Write down the values of, there are two numbers, part A and part B. And part A, it says write down the number of 0.192 multiplied by 643. Now we have to first rewrite the question. The information given is 192 multiplied by 64.3 is equal to 12,345.6. Now we have to reshape this number to make this number. In order to make the decimal, this must be divided by, if I divide this number with 1000, if I divide this number by 1000, it becomes 0.192. The decimal comes here. Actually decimal is there at the end of the number. If there is no decimal in a number, you consider it is the decimal at the end of the number. So we move this number, three numbers, 1, 2, 3, we want the decimal here. So how many number we have to shift the decimal? Left, three number in left. So we must divide by 1000, 30 here. So it becomes 0.192. Similarly, 64.3, we have to move this point up to the right. So we must multiply by 10, 10, so that it moves to the right and it becomes 643, which we require. Now, what the operation we have performed here? We multiply by 10 the expression and divide by 1000. So we balance the equation. We did the same operation on the both side of the sign of equal. Now what happened here? It become 0.192 and it become 643, which is required. And when we multiply by 10 first, so it become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.0. This point move to the right when we multiply by 10. Now divide by 1000 is remains same here. And the next step, we just rewrite this expression. This equation 192 multiplied by 643 is equal to, now divide by 1000 means this decimal move three numbers left. So it become 1, 2, 3, 123. 123.4560, or we can write the answer is, we were looking for this number, we have achieved this number. 0.192 multiplied by 643 is equal to 123.456. after the decimal, when the 0 is at the end, we usually do not write. So answer is 123.456. In part B, now again there are some similarity is there, but the movement of decimal we have to perform some operation we have to perform, so that we can find this, we can find the answer of this division. So again we write the information given, 192 multiplied by 64.3 is equal to 12345.6. it is given in the question. Now we have to move this decimal up to 1, 2, 3 number left. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 1000, so that this decimal move to 3 digit here and it become 12.3456, which is required. The same operation we perform here. It is 192 multiplied by 64.3 divided by 1000. The same operation we perform here, so that the equation remain balanced. Now this equation become 192 multiplied by, there are 3 0, so this decimal move 3 times here, so it becomes 0.0643 is equal to, and it becomes 12.3456 Actually I have to do this movement of the decimal in the next step, so I just did before it. So you have to do after this statement. So it should be here right now in this step. So it become 1 2 3 4 5 6. When the 1000 is disappear, this decimal move 3 point here. Now it is 0.0643 is equal to 12.3456 divided by 192, and this is the expression and the fraction we require here to solve. So 12.345 divided by 92 become 0.064. So answer is 0.0643 when we solve 12.3456 divided by 192. This is all about question 8. Now move to question number 9, part A. In this part, question says the cost of 3 pencils is $1.23. Find the total cost of 5 pencils. We are given the cost of 3 pencils, so we can find the cost of 1 pencil. Cost of 1 pencil must be equal to 1.23 divided by 3. Now the same operation, we can remove 123 divided by 3, and this decimal move to right here, and we have to write 100 here, because this decimal move 2 times here. After 2 numbers, this decimal move the 2 number here, so we divide this number by 100, 20 here. So it become 123 divided by 300. Now we can do some manipulation here, just we did before. So 3 ones are 3, 0 0, 3 fours are 12, 3 ones are 3. So it is 41 upon 100. It is the cost of 1 pencil, and we are looking to have the cost of 5 pencils. So it must multiply by 5. So 41 multiplied by 5 is 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, divide by 100. And when we have to remove the 100 in the denominator, so we insert the decimal after 2 number, 2.05. So the cost of 5 pencils equal to $2.05. $2.05. Now in part B, arrange the following in order starting with the smallest. We have done this sort of question before. So this is in percentage, the 2 numbers are in decimal, and it is also in fraction. We convert the number in decimal. So 74% means 74 upon 100. It is minus 0.7. It is 0.7, and it is minus 0.75. Actually 3 upon 4 means 0.74. If we divide 3 by 4, so we write decimal here. So it is 7 4s are 28, 2 is remaining, decimal is there, we can put 0 here, 4 5s are 20. So 3 upon 4 means 0.75, and it is minus 7 there. So 7.4, it can be also read in decimal, so it becomes 0.74. When we remove 0 from the denominator, and it becomes minus 0.7. It is 0.7 as it is, and it is minus 0.75. Now the smallest is 0.75. Minus 0.75 is the smallest, and then minus 0.7. After this 0.7, actually it is 0.70. At the end we can put 0 after decimal, so it doesn't make any difference to the number. So it is 0.7 or 0.70, and it is 0.74. Now the smallest 0. minus 0.75 comes from minus 3 upon 4, and then minus 0.7 is remain same, and then 0.7 is also same, and then 0.74. 0.74 basically come from 74%. So this is the smallest, and then the bigger. So this is all about this question, and it is a question extracted from November 2016 paper 1, and I am sure you all must have got it. If there is any problem, write in comments. I will reply you in next video.